Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can pin chat on Instagram direct messages. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and first of all, I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages. I'm going to click on this icon, and then the Instagram direct messages will be opened, and you can select one of the room chat you want to pin. For example, I'm going to pin this chat, so we can tap and hold on the chat like this, and we can click on pin. Okay, and now as you can see that the chat has been pinned in this Instagram direct messages. Alright guys, then that's all the way to pin chat on Instagram direct messages. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.